This is a quick overview of how to make an interactive network diagram in Microsoft Power BI. Firstly, we must read the data. Load the data into Power BI via the Get Data icon. Click on the Select Data Source icon, and then navigate to the appropriate location in the data source. In this example, it is a Microsoft Excel tab. Once selected, the data will load into the Power BI data model, ready to be brought into your report. Next, we load the custom visualization we will be using for our network diagram. Under the Insert tab, select the More Visuals icon. This will bring up the Custom Visualization store. Here you have a wide variety of custom visuals. We will search for the Network Navigator visual. Once the visual has been loaded, it is time to start building. Click the newly loaded visual icon. This will drop a blank network on your page. Next, we need to populate it with some data. Drag and drop the PI variable into the source field of the visualization, and then drop the investigator variable into the target node field. This should create a network map. Next, let's add some filters to reduce the number of points in our visual. First, we will add a fiscal year filter. Next, we will add a sponsor filter. This looks good. This has been a quick overview of the steps needed to make an interactive network in Microsoft Power BI.